everyone, I hope you're all doing well. My name is Neil and in today's video I'm gonna cover another Olympiad question. Let's get started. 4 raised to the power of x whole raised to the x equals to 256, and we are going to find the value of x. Okay, first of all, I'm gonna factorize 256. Many of you know that 256 equals to 2 to the power of 8, but if you don't know, you can use factor 3 and factorize 256 until you find all of prime factors of this number. And when you count all of these 2's, you will find that 256 is 2 to the power of 8. Okay, so instead of this, we will have 2 to the power of 8. And then instead of 4, I'm gonna write 2 squared and raise to the power of x and x. Okay, so these bases are not equal. This one is 2, but this one is 2 squared. So, which is really easy, I can split 8 to 2 times 4, and using this formula, a to the power of m to the power of n equals to a to the power of n to the power of m. So, 2 to the power of 2, and for this one 2 to the power of 2. Okay, so you can see that these two bases, 2 squared and 2 squared, are equal. So the last step is to equate these two exponents. And you know that x is 2, which is really easy. X is the final answer, but you can check your answer by substituting 2 for x. 4 to the power of 2 to the power of 2 equals to 4. 2 to the power of 2 is 4, and 4 times 4 times 4 times 4 would be 256. So x equals 2, which is completely correct. I hope you enjoyed it. See you in the next video. Bye bye.